In the world of project management, proficiency with specialized tools like Smartsheet can significantly boost a professional's career prospects and effectiveness. Smartsheet is a powerful work management platform that helps teams plan, track, automate, and report on work. For project managers, team leads, or even individual contributors, demonstrating expertise in such a widely adopted tool through certification can be a smart move. This often leads to the question, how much does Smartsheet certification cost? As a project management expert, I understand that cost is always a factor in professional development decisions. Smartsheet offers a tiered certification program designed to validate different levels of expertise. The cost varies depending on the specific certification level and how you choose to prepare for and take the exam. Understanding Smartsheet certification levels. Before diving into costs, it's helpful to know the different certification levels Smartsheet offers. These certifications are designed to prove your ability to use the platform, from core functionality to building complex solutions. Core Product Certification. This is generally the entry-level certification, validating fundamental knowledge of Smartsheet's core features and functionality. It's for users who can effectively navigate the platform, create sheets, manage data, and utilize basic collaboration features. This is sometimes referred to as the Smartsheet Certified Associate in older documentation, but the current term is Core Product Certification. Solution certifications, project management, and process management. These are more advanced certifications that demonstrate your ability to design and implement robust solutions within Smartsheet for specific business challenges. Project management certification focuses on using Smartsheet to manage projects effectively, including planning, tracking progress, managing resources, and reporting. Process management certification focuses on optimizing business processes using Smartsheet, including automation, forms, and workflows. Specialized certifications. Smartsheet also offers more specialized certifications for specific product areas or roles, such as System Administrator Certification, for those who manage Smartsheet deployments for an organization, including user management, security settings, and overall platform administration. Control Center Lead Certification, for users who manage and deploy solutions using Smartsheet Control Center, which is an advanced solution for scaling projects and processes. Control Center Blueprint Builder Certification, for those who design and build the underlying templates, blueprints, used in Control Center. Smartsheet Professional Certification. Note, as of the latest information, this and the Architect certification are listed as not yet available for purchase for individual exams, often bundled with the Learning and Certification Pass. This would likely represent a higher-level, broader expertise across the platform. Smartsheet Architect Certification. Similar to Professional, often part of a bundle, this would be the highest level, demonstrating expert-level knowledge in designing and implementing enterprise-wide solutions. The cost of Smartsheet certification exams. Now let's get to the numbers. The cost is per exam attempt, so if you don't pass on your first try, you'll incur additional costs for retakes. Here are the typical costs for individual exam attempts, as provided by Smartsheet. Core Product Certification, $149 per attempt. System Administrator Certification, $149 per attempt. Project Management Certification, $199 per attempt. Control Center Lead Certification, $149 per attempt. Control Center Blueprint Builder Certification, $199 per attempt. Smartsheet Professional Certification, $300, currently noted as not yet available for individual purchase, usually part of a Learning and Certification Pass. Smartsheet Architect Certification, $500, currently noted as not yet available for individual purchase, usually part of a Learning and Certification Pass. The Smartsheet Learning and Certification Pass. For individuals or organizations serious about comprehensive training and multiple certifications, Smartsheet offers a Learning and Certification Pass. This is a bundle that typically includes access to extensive instructor-led and self-paced training content on Smartsheet University, multiple attempts, often two, at selected certification exams, For instance, the pass might include 2 attempts at the professional and architect certifications, along with access to all training. The Learning and Certification Pass currently costs around $3,000. This can be a cost-effective option if you plan to pursue multiple advanced certifications or if your organization is investing in a broader skill-building initiative for its team members. It provides a structured learning path and the flexibility of multiple exam attempts. Factors influencing your total cost. Beyond the exam fee itself, consider these additional factors that might influence your total investment in Smartsheet certification. Retake fees. If you fail an exam, you'll need to pay the full exam fee again for each retake. This emphasizes the importance of thorough preparation. Training costs. While Smartsheet offers free resources like their help center and community, formal training often comes with a price tag. Self-paced e-learning. Many courses on Smartsheet University, outside the pass, might have individual costs. Instructor-led training. Attending virtual or in-person instructor-led courses will add to your cost. Some authorized training partners also offer Smartsheet courses, and their prices vary. Third-party resources. Books, online courses from platforms like Coursera or Udemy, and independent consultants offering Smartsheet training also have their own fees. Smartsheet license. Smartsheet certification is typically available only to licensed Smartsheet users. While many professionals take these exams because their employer already uses Smartsheet, if you're an individual without a license, you'll need to factor in the cost of a Smartsheet subscription, Pro, Business, or Enterprise plan to practice and access the platform. Time investment. Your time is valuable. Preparing for these certifications requires a significant time commitment, which is an indirect but important cost. Is Smartsheet certification worth the investment? From a project management perspective, investing in Smartsheet certification can yield several benefits. Validated expertise. It formally proves your proficiency in a widely used project and work management tool, setting you apart in the job market. Career advancement. Many organizations seek professionals with proven software skills. Certification can open doors to new opportunities or promotions. Increased efficiency. Mastering Smartsheet can make you more efficient in your daily project tasks, leading to better project outcomes. Solution design skills. The higher-level certifications push you to think about designing effective solutions, a critical skill for any project or program manager. Peer recognition. A certification often comes with a badge you can display on your LinkedIn profile or resume, enhancing your professional credibility.